Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mr. Griffin. It is Friday, right? Friday, January 15th. And we've been talking a lot about molecules in class and thought you'd like a quick visit with the fish, but also show you that I have to come here and check on molecules in the water. We know water is H2O, and we want plenty of that. We want O2 to be in there, the bubbles. But there's one molecule that can gather up and can make the fish sick. So it's called nitrite or NO2. So there you go, it's got nitrogen and 2 oxygen molecules. And it's actually very, very poisonous to fish. And it comes from accumulation of waste. If the tank isn't cycling and cleaning up the water through the filter system. So I have to test for it whenever I'm here. Now, I can't see it, right? Molecules are too small. So what I have to do is use a test invented by scientists that will show me how much is in there. And instead of saying 1 or 2, it gives me a color. And I'm going to take a look at the color, and it's going to tell me if I've got the right... I don't want to have any nitrates in here. I don't want nitrites, excuse me. I don't want any NO2. I want O2, I want H2O, I don't want any NO2, all right? So watch what's going to happen. Let's see, it's just a little too low. Will that stay up there? Yep. Whoops. So there, you're able to see that. If it'll stay for a second, stay. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put water in here. Then I'm going to add another chemical to it, which is actually going to measure the amount of NO2 that's inside the water by showing me the color. So here's what I do. I take that, and I've got to get some water from inside the tank. All right, put that for a second. You can't see me doing it, but you're going to see it in a second. And I want exactly 5 milliliters. I'm going to fill it up to that line right there. Okay. All right. Then I take that. And see, it's water. Water is transparent, right? But if I add another molecule to it, I'm not even sure what's inside of this, but it's a solution that when it mixes with NO2, if there's a certain amount of it, it changes color. A little bit, if there isn't any, it stays blue. But if it starts to turn purple, then it's dangerous for the fish. So what we're looking for to prove, we want evidence there is no NO2 in the water. And so what I'm going to do, shake this a little bit, and it says right on there, in the little drop, I need 5 drops, okay? And I'm going to add them. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right? So I put that in. Then I'm going to cap it. I'm going to mix it a little, Nothing crazy. All right? And take a look. All right? Take a look at the color. All right? Now remember that blue at the top means that the tank is safe. And the purple colors are dangerous. That's proof of NO2. We want to prove, again, let me bring this card closer. We want to prove there is no NO2. So it's that blue one on top. So then I take this and I compare it. And if you look, you can see it's just about the same color. Okay? So now that tells me there is no NO2. Again, I can't see it. I can't see the NO2. The molecules are too small. I can't see the O2. I can't even see the H2O except for the fact that there's so much of it in here, right? But this tells me, through a scientific test, that there are no nitrites. None of the dangerous chemical, the dangerous molecule that can harm these fish. Okay? And that is how we take care of our friends in the tank, and we make sure that they have a nice, happy place to be for their time as they wait patiently for more food. Hello, how are you? And there they go. Right? You can see me in the shadow. There they go. Okay, that's it. They are strong, they are healthy, they are fast. And most importantly, we were able to prove there are no nitrites in the water. No NO2. No nitrogen joined with the 2 oxygen atoms. Remember I told you, sometimes oxygen in certain forms is dangerous. Have a good day, everybody.